Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Salesforce Administrator Certificate. This certification is a fantastic way to validate your expertise in managing Salesforce. We'll cover everything from understanding the exam structure to effective study methods and what to do on exam day. My goal is to help you feel confident and prepared to earn this valuable credential, opening up new opportunities in your career. Let's dive in and get you started on your path to becoming a certified Salesforce administrator. The Salesforce Administrator exam is designed to test your practical knowledge across various areas. You'll face 60 questions, a mix of multiple choice and multiple select, and you'll have 105 minutes to complete them. To pass, you need to achieve a score of 65% or higher. While there are no strict prerequisites, having at least 6 months of hands-on experience with Salesforce is highly recommended. This practical exposure will significantly boost your understanding and confidence for the exam. Effective preparation is key to success. Start by thoroughly exploring Salesforce Trailhead, which offers free, interactive modules covering all exam topics. Consider joining online study groups or forums. Collaborating with others can clarify complex concepts. Crucially, take several practice exams to familiarize yourself with the question format and time constraints. Always refer to the official exam guide to understand the weighting of each section, ensuring you allocate your study time wisely across all domains. Consistent effort will pay off. On exam day, choose between taking it at a certified testing center or online with a proctor. If testing remotely, ensure your environment meets all technical requirements. Arrive early, take a deep breath, and read each question carefully, paying attention to keywords. Manage your 105 minutes wisely. Once certified, remember to complete 3 annual release exams to keep your credential current. This ensures your skills remain up to date with the latest Salesforce features and best practices, maintaining your valuable certification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.